Greetings! In this video I will show you how to crop a video to remove the black bars. Start by opening the video file you like to crop. This video has two ugly black bars. First, let's check the width and height. As there is no explicit crop function in version 8, we need to change the canvas size and then export the video. In the upcoming version of ActivePresenter, a crop function will probably be implemented. The video height should be around 400, select crop and hit next. Align the orange rectangle. The slide size, that's the white rectangle in the background, has changed. Check and adjust until the video fits the white background. Hit OK. Use the cursor keys on the keyboard for an exact alignment. Note the horizontal and vertical line. Select the Export tab and export the video. Check the new file size. I set the quality to 100%. Exporting will take some time depending on your computer's hardware. Thanks for watching.